So, hey my friends, Rocket here. So this is funny. At Rocket Spokesy Gardens, where flowers are bright today, trademark, we have security cameras. And we all know that security cameras are fun to watch things that have happened. Like, you saw me fall. That was funny. It was funny. I'm on my knees every day. That was funny. Okay, so this caption that we're going to show is Ms.ta and my lovely wife, Danna. And so we have this contraption. It's an irrigation. It's a hose bib. And it has a ball valve. It's kind of hard to get to, but you know that when the valve is up like this, if the valve is parallel with the pipe, water flows. So when it's like this and the pipe is this way and the valve is like this, then the water is not going to flow. But for whatever reason, they got confused and the valve was like this and they needed to water some things. And so they okay, that's the phone ringing. So hold that thought right there. So, oh, that was mean. No. But anyway, I'm going to show you the video. It's so funny. You've got to just watch it. So, all right, so let's bring it up. Bring it. All right, there we go. So what's this here? This is just for, what's the water splash? Splash Mountain 2000. All right, so here we go. What's this? There's Ms.ta right there. So they're talking. Turn the valve. No, you turn the valve. No. The valve is so hard. Oh, did you see that? Did you? Here, what's that again? Wait, what's that? Let's see if I can back that up. What's that again? What's that again? All right, so let's play it again. What's this? And she just gets sprayed. Oh, I got to hit play. Sorry. Okay. So, yeah, I'm a videographer like my cousin Sherry. So what's right there? Hose down in the face. Boom. It's so funny. It's not funny because, it's cold. 43 with a high. It's boom. But I'm like, I've done that. I've done this. It's funny. Rocket Spokesy Gardens, where flowers brighten today, and silly antics will brighten your day as well. There's the water woman right there. Oh, no, she's hide the face of the. Hi, my friends. You're awesome. Here's a Jesus spoke just for you because he loves you so very much, regardless of what you think you've done in the past.